Hello everybody, so this is my end of year message to you all. So as acting principal of Whitley Academy, I wanted to congratulate you all on a fantastic year. It's been extremely challenging at times, it's been very different, but you've all coped extremely well with those challenges that we've all faced. You've continued to work incredibly hard, you've demonstrated what an asset you are to the school and to the local community. All of the staff at Whitley are incredibly proud of what you achieve on a day-to-day basis. So please make sure that you do have that well-earned break, enjoy your holiday, come back in September ready to learn and to be the best you can be. We look forward to seeing you in September. Bye for now.
Hi Year 7, welcome to our end of year assembly. We've seen so many of you demonstrate our school values throughout lockdown. High aspirations have been shown through us becoming better engaged with learning at home and becoming more organised with homework. Mental security has been shown through your resilience during lockdown and your determination to keep working without a teacher in the room helping you. Community minded. We have all seen how family and friends and the surrounding community is important to us. Lots of you have helped with making cakes for neighbours and designing postcards for care homes. We are all extremely proud of you and what you have achieved during lockdown. There will be some major changes in September for all students and staff. Firstly, the school will no longer allow mobile phones to be seen on site. This includes break time and lunch times. The reason for this is to reduce online bullying, increase the ability to socialise with each other and improve concentration in lessons. There will be a one-way system in the corridors, which Year 10 are already experiencing during their time in school. This will ensure the corridors are less busy and feel safer to move around in. Lastly, tutor time will now be in the mornings for everyone and will give us the opportunity to be ready for learning. It is really important that you all have a restful holiday, but you shouldn't get out of the habit of doing work at home as it is an important skill. The Whitley Home Learning menu is saved on the website on the Home Learning page for you to have a look at. And we want you to take photos of yourselves in some of the activities so that we can put it onto the school website. My homework meal has got to be sweet and sour, followed by spare ribs, and for dessert I would go for the audit ice cream. I hope you have all looked at the rewards assembly that is on the school's website, and congratulations to all those that received a reward. All the staff at Whitley and myself hope that you have a really safe summer holiday, and we have been so proud of the way you've engaged with the schoolwork during lockdown. I really look forward to seeing you all back in September.